Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 21. Into My Own. I left the village at dawn, stepping onto the path that wound through hills and open fields, carrying only a pack and my thoughts. The wind tugged at my coat, urging me forward, and the sky stretched wide, endless and daring. I passed streams that sang to themselves and trees that bent like old friends greeting me. Every step felt like carving space for myself, leaving familiar faces behind, yet taking lessons and memories with me. I slept under stars that blinked like quiet watchers, dreams carrying questions I didn't yet know how to answer. By morning, I stood atop a ridge, looking back at the village small below, realizing independence tastes like cold air and freedom, like roots stretching outward into unknown soil. I smiled, knowing the journey is mine and every choice, stumble, or triumph belongs solely to me. Now listen to the poem. I leave the village at first light, path winding through hills in sight. Wind tugs my coat, sky stretches far, streams and trees guide like a star. Steps carve space to call my own. Lessons and memories I take along. Sleeping under watching skies, dreams bring questions yet to rise. Morning finds the village small, independence tastes of freedom's call. Roots stretch into unknown soil, every choice and triumph my toil. Journey mine, I stand alone, yet carry all I've ever known.